At Scratching Made Easy, we believe that every Scratch DJ deserves a clear path to learning. Structure and strong fundamentals are essential for growth, and understanding the basics leads to true creativity. We're convinced that guessing and confusion have no place in your journey. Clarity and purpose should guide every step. Above all, rhythm is at the heart of everything you do as a Scratch DJ, and understanding it opens the door to progress. We make every step understandable and grounded in musical principles. Starting with a strong foundation and following a clear path empowers you to truly grasp what you're doing. A clear, logical method gives you the confidence to move forward knowing you're building skills that last. Genuine understanding is what unlocks true creativity behind the decks. From our own experience, progress happens when you truly understand the building blocks of music. Struggling in the dark shouldn't be a part of the journey. Clarity should come first. Learning the principles behind rhythm and timing transforms how you approach scratching, making every practice session meaningful. This conviction shapes everything we do and guides how we teach today. At the heart of what we do is the belief that knowing the fundamentals unlocks everything else. When you truly get how rhythm works, every technique starts to make sense. A deep understanding of music structure leads to confident, consistent scratching, and that's why it's central to our approach. We believe learning to scratch should feel straightforward and rewarding. Like any musician, DJs deserve access to a system, a set of tools, and a clear language for growth. With the right guidance, progress isn't left to chance, and every practice session moves you closer to self-expression. Thanks for checking us out. Peace.